Hey, good afternoon, my guy.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing?
You're right. How was the game?
The game was fantastic.
1 goal, 3 points. Are you happy?
We're more than happy because the football that we play is just so brilliant. So we just have to be expecting more.
Exactly. Wow. And I see you fasting and you managed to hold on 90 minutes, full 90 minutes.
It's the love of the sport.
What the love of the game?
The love of the game.
Wow, man. Congratulations, my guy. I
Thank
see
you.
you were doing a good job.
Yeah.
Mr. Captain Fantastic.
Thank you.
So your next game, and is there anything that you saw today that you say, you know what, we can change from here and there?
With our coming game, all we just have to fix is we have to communicate more in the game because there's a place where as defenders as we lag, but then we will give it our best in the next game. Let's hope so.
Okay. And then are you happy with today's performance?
Today's performance was so great.
That's too great.
That's all we needed.
Okay. At least 3 points are in the bag. That's what's
3 points.
important. Even if you score 1 goal, it doesn't matter.
3-0.
Wow. Thank you, my guy.
Thank you.
Sharp, sharp.